Question 13. You must have seen tarnished copper vessels being cleaned with lemon or tamarind juice. Explain why these sour substances are effective in cleaning the vessels. Answer. Cleaning tarnished copper vessels with sour substances. Tarnished copper vessels develop a greenish layer known as copper carbonate or copper oxide due to exposure to air and moisture. This tarnish can be effectively removed using sour substances like lemon or tamarind juice. Here's why these substances work well. 1. Acidic nature. Presence of acids. Lemon juice contains citric acid, and tamarind juice contains tartaric acid. These acids react with the copper oxide or carbonate on the surface of the tarnished copper. Chemical reaction. The acids help in converting the tarnished copper oxide back to its metallic form. For example, the reaction can be represented as follows. CuO plus 2H plus 2 Cu2 plus H2O. This reaction effectively dissolves the tarnish, restoring the copper's shiny appearance. 2. Chelating action. Formation of soluble complexes. The acids in lemon and tamarind juice can form soluble complexes with copper ions. This helps in removing the tarnish from the surface of the metal. Example. Citric acid can form a complex with copper ions, making them soluble and easy to wash away. 3. Natural abrasive. Physical scrubbing. When using lemon or tamarind juice, the physical action of scrubbing the surface with a cloth or sponge can help remove the tarnish. Along with the acidic reaction, the pulp of these fruits can act as a mild abrasive, aiding in the cleaning process. 4. Non-toxic and eco-friendly. Safe cleaning agents. Unlike harsh chemical cleaners, lemon and tamarind juice are non-toxic and environmentally friendly, making them safe for household use. Conclusion. In summary, sour substances like lemon and tamarind juice are effective in cleaning tarnished copper vessels. Due to their acidic nature, ability to form soluble complexes with copper ions, and mild abrasive properties, these natural cleaners not only restore the shine of copper but also do so in a safe and eco-friendly manner.